Rafay supports containerized applications that need to handle inbound requests over TCP and UDP. In this demo, we will deploy a UDP echo server packaged as a container. We will then connect to the echo server using UDP using the netcat utility. We will also see how you can horizontally scale your application by leveraging Rafay's round-robin scheduler. In Ingress policies, specify UDP for Ingress mode and select the ports on which your application needs to receive traffic. You can also optionally configure a hostname if you want your users to use DNS for geo-targeting purposes. With this enabled, Rafay can automatically steer the end user to the nearest cluster in the region. Now associate our echo server container with the workload. Notice that the container is configured to receive traffic on UDP port 7788. We will select 3 for the initial replica count. This ensures that requests are handled by Rafay's round-robin scheduler. Review the port forwarding policy to ensure that Ingress port protocol into the cluster is configured to forward the request to the correct container and the correct port. For workload placement, we will be deploying our workload to a cluster in Tokyo. Let us publish our UDP workload. The Rafay platform will automatically assign the workload an IP address from a pool it manages. Now let us try and access the workload using the netcat utility. First, open up the debug shell so that we can view the container logs when it handles requests from users. Let us connect to our workload over UDP port 7001. Notice that the message you type in is echoed back by our UDP echo server at the client, and the container logs confirm that the container handled the user request. When the new client connects, notice that it is now handled by the second container replica. This is handled by Rafay's round-robin scheduler for UDP and TCP Ingress modes.